Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If there was one product that you could use that would clean your home from top to bottom, what would that one product be? In today's Clean With Me, I'm going to show you the one product that has been changing my world. And I've been using this product for a couple of months, and I just decided that I would share this product with you. And it's Done Free and Clear Power Wash. You guys, if you have not tried this product, you have to try this product. Just the fact that I'm only using one product that will do everything that I need it to do, especially in these bathrooms, is enough for me to say yes. When you do use this product, of course, spray it first and let it sit for a couple minutes before you actually start wiping down everything, and you will see that it just wipes everything up. And before using Done, I used to think it would be too soapy and just too messy, so I never actually used it to clean my bathrooms and my kitchen and stuff like that. But now that I know that it does not leave a film, nor does it leave all this soap around after you use it, I am totally in love with it. And of course I had to get my squeegee, because you guys know I use that on all my mirrors because I love the way it shines after I use it. guys may notice that I use a different towel for the sink, a different towel for the toilet, and a different towel for the tub, because I just do not want to cross-contaminate. And it just makes me feel better in my head to do it this way. And when I'm done with everything, I will throw it in the wash and I will put the setting on sanitize before I actually use it again. And while you guys are watching this, do not forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share. I am so appreciative of all you guys. And in the comment section, I want you guys to tell me, what product do you use? Do you use a whole bunch of products? Do you use just one product? Just tell me what you use to clean your bathrooms and your kitchen. I really would like to know. Or if there's something else that you think that would work better than Dawn, tell me that too. Now let's be honest here. Did you guys see the shine that was in that tub and in that bathroom sink? I am loving this product. So you guys, again, you have to try this Dawn Free and Clear Power Wash. And if you love this video, go ahead and check out these videos over here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.